Hey everybody. In this course right here, we're going to be talking about creating motivation-specific landing pages. Now what I mean by that is if you have ClickFunnels or if you're good at WordPress or whatever you're building your sites out on, you want to create a landing page that speaks directly to the person you're targeting. So if you're pulling a tax delinquent list or a probate list or whatever the case may be, you want to create a page that's dedicated specifically to them. And I direct people that I target through Facebook through a tax list to this page. So when they get there, they're going to see stuff that relates to them, right? It's very easy to do. So I'm in ClickFunnels. I'm just going to show you guys real quick one of the ones that I built out and kind of show you how easy it was, right? This isn't groundbreaking. This isn't the most gorgeous website in the world, but it doesn't have to because it works. And it's simple and it's clean, right? This is very easy to do. So obviously you can see I have one giant section here, and then I have a little row here, and then have element here. So these testimonials, how we buy houses in Mississippi, and frequently asked questions, these links actually go directly to my Carrot site. Now you can create sites inside of ClickFunnels that have your testimonials and host your frequently asked questions and stuff like that. You can do that just as easy. But since I already have a Carrot site, this just links back to that. Very simple to do. I have a little video here, so whatever you have as your video here, and if you're doing a video ad, that video needs to correspond with your Facebook ad, right? So if you're creating a tax delinquent video ad, you need to put that here, and also on your Facebook ad, right? Behind on taxes, we can help, and just have a little simple form here they can fill out. I'm going to change the color of this button. I'm actually going to do that right now. I don't know how I never missed that. That works. Alright, so you have submit, and this is very simple. This just kind of goes over some basic stuff. I don't want to give out too much information. I want their information. I want their information before giving out too much information. And I just have some recent testimonials. Right? This stuff is super easy. And again, how I'm doing this is just I'm pulling the tax delinquent list for the counties that we hit, and then I'm targeting them on Facebook by creating a custom audience. By downloading that file, and Facebook goes through that file and finds those people based on the information that I give them, and then once they start finding those people, they start delivering my ad. Very easy. That's all there really is to it. So this is, I'm going to kind of show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to show you what my commercial looks like. This is our kind of our one shoe fits all, or one size fits all one shoe fits all, one size fits all video that we put on a lot of our ads.
Are you in a situation where you need to sell your home fast? You can allow Mississippi home buyers to give you an all-cash fair offer that can close as fast as 7 days without the hassle of repair costs, commissions, or fees. Give us a call today or fill out the simple form on our website, and we will contact you the same business day. www.cashhomesms.com 601-336-1835. Mississippi Home Buyers, your real estate solution in South Mississippi.
Right, so this is super cheap. $150, I think is what I paid. Was delivered in like 2 or 3 business days. I had it done on Fiverr.com. You guys have probably already heard me on here talk about Fiverr. It's amazing. Make sure you use it. If you don't have the budget, obviously you can record your own commercial where you're standing against a blank wall or a canvas or something like that. Make sure you have good audio, a good camera, and a good script. But whatever you do, make sure if you're running a video ad on Facebook that video is also on your webpage. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is my tax delinquent, and I say this is a template. So whenever I get ready to use this for another investor or anything like that, I just basically just switch out the logos, switch out the videos, and we're good to go. And then do our integration here. So as you guys can see, I have my integration with Active Campaign. It adds, when somebody submits that, it adds them to a list, and you can see right here where it says Mississippi Home Buyers Tax. So every time they get added to that list, I get notified, and then I can also, it also send them an automatic reply. So when they sign up, they get an automatic reply that says such and such and such, yada yada yada. Call us now. Well, we'll be contacting you shortly. Whatever. All pretty basic and easy stuff to do. So just make sure you create some motivation-specific landing pages. It helps tremendously, and it's very easy to do. Especially if you have ClickFunnels, it will take you 30 minutes Costs you basically nothing but the ClickFunnels membership, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you create a motivation specific landing page.